Bancroft has not only been supportive to Sector 1 in operations only, it is even supportive in things to do with administration. Now you can see this is about healthcare, this is about life. So Bancroft has been there in the field and out of the field, and we really want to thank them so much. Civil military cooperation worldwide in any military is part and parcel of military operations, because we are for the people, the civilians. When we fight to make the country stable. Stability has so many components. One of them is the health of the people. A healthy population means a healthy country, a stable country. However, what is very important for us here, the people who are going to use this, to dispense this drugs and stuff, is to ensure accountability. Because it will give Rocky and his team a lot of pleasure if they know that the drugs and sandwiches that they have given us have been put to good use. They will have the impetus to even get more.
Bancroft has been working in partnership with the Uganda contingent, and especially at level 2. A lot of patients are seen at level 2 hospital, many of them civilians, many of them other SNA done up. The other SNAs, they all come here to receive service. And of course the UPDF staff and the other members of AISO. And Bancroft has contributed a lot to help level 2 hospital through equipment, through sundry requirements, and through drug requirements. You can see this batch of drugs which have come is just part of what Bancroft has been doing.
We are treating an average of 800 Somalis, not UPDF. That's an average of 800 Somalis. Sometimes we go up to 1,000, sometimes 700, sometimes 1,200 a month. And out of which we operate the cost of health care, the burden to health care is more on these anesthetic medications. Very expensive. And with this opportunity, this again gives another hope to our patients that they are going to receive a free service.
We are so appreciate to get the support from Bancroft. We are treated here for civilians, also SMA, especially our troops. As we are seeing here, we are getting, like, as Dr. Asay said, the supply was not enough here, and we are seeing that students who cannot afford to buy the medications, they get it from outside, even though they cannot afford it. But they came here to get those treatment, and Bancroft, they say thank you so much for supporting these things. As for SNA side, we really appreciate the things